Today we're here at the Crown Hill Cemetery in Indianapolis, Indiana. We're here in section 37 and we're looking for Uncle Remus from the 1946 Disney film Song of the South. Let's go see if we can find him. Now when you come to section 37, you actually want to come to the back of section 37 where you can see West 38th Street in the background. And there's a path over here that says Scattering Gardens. We're here at the Crown Hill Cemetery, the third largest cemetery in America, looking for a very modest headstone which packs a lot of historical value during a time of American segregation. The first big headstone to give you a marker would be Charles Bauer here. We're looking for Mr. James Baskett, who's most notably known as Uncle Remus in the Walt Disney movie Song of the South. And if you know the lyrics to Zip-A-Dee-Doo-Dah, Zip-A-Dee-Dee, you can definitely thank this man for making it infamous. James Baskett would pull double duty by also voicing the beloved animated character Br'er Fox in the movie.
We just love to have you for dinner. Wouldn't we just love to have him for dinner, blah, blah? Ain't that just what you've been saying? No, sir.
And you'll actually see a Disney style bench here that ironically enough says South on it. Back in 1948, James Baskett was the first black male actor to receive an Honorary Academy Award.
James Baskett, Uncle Remus.
Mr. James, the Academy wishes to give you this honor.
Thank you, Miss Bergman.
And even though he was the star of the movie, he wasn't able to attend the movie's premiere in Georgia because by law, Atlanta was still a segregated city. And here's his grave, right here. Born in 1904, right here in Indianapolis, Indiana, and died on July 9th, 1948 in Los Angeles, California, of heart failure as a result of diabetes. James Baskett grew up studying to be a pharmacist, but found his true calling under the bright lights of Broadway and on the radio show Amos and Andy, and of course finally in film. He even voiced one of the wisecracking crows in the Disney classic Dumbo.
What's cooking around here? What's the good news? What's frying, boy?
Just look down here, brother.
And prepare yourself for a shock.
Walt Disney himself was so impressed that he wanted to meet Baskett personally and had him tested for his new movie, Song of the South, landing him his most famous role, Uncle Remus. And the rest, is what they say, is history. Song of the South was also the inspiration for the Splash Mountain ride at the Disney parks, which ran from the late 80s and early 90s until just last year in 2023. You definitely won't find Song of the South on home video or streaming on Disney Plus though, because of its portrayal of slavery and plantation life, which I could totally understand. rewatching it now as an adult. But search Uncle Remus sing Zip-A-Dee-Doo-Dah on YouTube and watch as he single-handedly breaks down the color barrier of American segregation. Rest in peace, James Baskett, also known as Uncle Remus. They also have this incredible headstone over here. Sorry for the glare. But it says, dedicated to the memory of Indianapolis native James Baskett for his Academy Award-winning portrayal of master storyteller Uncle Remus in Walt Disney's 1946 movie Song of the South. Not in your day nor yet in my day, says Uncle Remus, but once upon a time. Love it. Now, like I do with all the famous graves that I go to, I want to leave a few mementos for James Baskett. I want to leave my YouTube magnet. And I also have this Br'er Fox figure, since he was the incredible voice in the 1946 Disney movie Song of the South. Now, if you come to the Crown Hill Cemetery and visit James Baskett and find my magnet, feel free to take it, but leave the Br'er Fox figure for James Baskett. Alright, well, that's going to do it here from the Crown Hill Cemetery in Indianapolis, Indiana. I just want to say, until we meet again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.